All right, here we are, Simple Life Learning, going on a nature walk. Come along with us. See what we see. Join in on the fun.
Show them their shoes. Show them our shoes. Show them our shoes. And these are my shoes. Those are her shoes. Guys, stop. No. And show them the camera shoes. That's the anthill. I like to play with ants. But they bite, so I don't care.
Them fire ants are dangerous, huh?
Oh yeah, look. This has a flashlight and it'll charge. That's where you charge it, and that's where the flashlight's on.
Yeah.
Can we show them that?
No.
Come on. Okay.
I think we're gonna walk down the trail over here that we normally go down.
The one by Zach's house?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, the one with the big rock. There's a huge rock out here that we like climbing on, and we're gonna go that way.
Can we stop by Zach's and say hi to him?
Zach's probably still doing his homeschool work, man.
You don't need to do that. Aw, hey puppy. Hey baby.
Come on.
Get out of the road, guys.
Scoot out of the road. Car coming. More doggies.
Dad, do you remember Star and Zoe?
Yeah.
Zoe is really big, and she's nice, but she's mean. She barks at you, but when her owner's outside, she lets you pet her.
Yeah.
And play with her. Yeah.
Hi, Abby.
Hi.
What's up?
The sky. There's a car.
Stop.
Quad. 2 cars. I like your shoes, Abby. They need a new car.
Oh man, that sounded bad.
Daddy, I'll tell you about one of my friends. Do you see that house right there? That's Lizzie's house.
You tripping on sticks, girl?
Dad,
You okay?
my friend that I was talking about, that's Lizzie's house that I've been wanting to go to, but I haven't been going there yet.
Yeah.
So, that's your handsome.
What, Nana?
You're handsome.
You're beautiful.
What?
Thank you. I don't want to see the dead bird. Is it a yellow bird?
No.
Or is that a flower?
Flower.
Oh, okay. Oh, these dogs. Dogs everywhere.
Hey, Gabby. Where's Annie? Annie's over there. This is Lizzie's house right here.
Eddie, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Eddie? Y'all don't know about that.
No. Annie! Come here, baby.
Annie doesn't sound very nice.
She is very nice, but she likes to bark at people a lot.
Annie sounds scary.
She's big.
Yeah.
She's very big and old. Look.
Nana, wait up, girl. Trying to take off on us.
I'm gonna stop at Zach and say hi.
Yeah. Dude. Stop. Oh, they're outside. Baby wants to go on a walk with us. Thank you, Nana.
Look at that puppy.
Nana likes giving people flowers. What's up, man? You want to go on a walk with us? Huh?
See our new GoPro?
Going on a nature walk. Where's your puppy?
When did you get the GoPro?
The other day.
Yesterday.
Come on, Nana.
Where'd Aaron go?
Inside. Put the puppy down. Come on.
Look.
Come on, Aaron. Go help him get all of his puppies.
Are they getting loose out of the cage? If so, put them in here. Put them in here. Put them inside, because if they're getting loose out of that cage when nobody's in here, put them inside.
Big puppy. Hey.
I know. But I'm getting anyway because it's my birthday.
Going on a walk.
Let me go put my shoes on.
All right.
Say hi to Puppy.
Oh, they are cute though.
Mm-hmm.
We don't need a dog.
Uh-huh. The other day you said you wanted one of Destiny's puppies.
I don't. I do want a dog, but I don't. They take up a lot of time.
Yes, they do.
Here.
They're cute.
Glad when my sister comes and gets her too. Then
Yeah.
all we got is two.
Yeah.
That's good.
They're cute, but man, they take up so much time and money. And
Bye.
check that out. It's a bearded.
It used to be only an inch.
Can I hold it?
Man, that's
Not
cool.
outside.
That is cool. GoPro, stop recording. You like that, right? Right? Right?
I'm jealous. I got it. What kind do you have? I
Okay.
have a back handspring. 5-0. Guys, no. Show them that I can do a back handspring.
No, you don't do it on the hard road, man. Because I don't want you to hurt yourself. We're getting ready to go on a walk.
There's a go-kart. Abby almost said a car, but it's a go-kart. I have the original GoPro. I think Eric is coming with us.
Watch out, man.
Wait, what? Hey,
Hello.
guys, shut up. I said Erica.
Like a boss.
Yes, you did. I heard you.
Yeah, you said Eric. I caught it.
I said Erica. Let's play back the footage.
Huh?
Did she say Erica or Eric?
Eric is in school.
Play
Oh,
the footage.
here's our entrance. Going into the woods.
I'll show you guys the spot me and I like most.
The big rock?
Yep.
Yeah, that's our favorite spot too.
We've been going here for a while. That's what I always go here. This year during this time. We're gonna make a fort out here probably today. Y'all want to help us? Yeah. No. I was really asking your dad.
Don't fall.
I got lost back here once. There used to be a big mushroom somewhere back here. What? You remember the big mushroom, Dad?
Oh yeah. On that tree right up here. That one right there.
What happened to y'all letting me know when you guys were going dumpster diving?
We've only went once and our truck isn't doing good, so.
Oh, messed up again?
Yep.
Zach, don't fall!
Don't fall, Zach.
There used to be a big mushroom right here on this tree.
Yep, right there.
Don't pick up stuff on the I don't know where people were back then.
Going on a nature walk in our favorite walking spot. Strolling through the woods.
Please stop.
Little nature kids.
Please stop.
Oh, my GoPro's better than yours.
Hey, I got the original one.
Mine listens to me. I tell it to do something and it does it.
I got the original GoPro, okay? I got my first GoPro.
Oh. Such a beautiful world we live in. So sad people gotta ruin it. Nah, it gets thick back there, dude. Looks cleared out. Once you get back in there, it starts getting thick.
It really does.
Some big pipes.
Yeah, I crossed one of those.
Yeah, we walked on them last year when we came out here.
You really ain't having that your GoPro? Yeah. Aaron said he's our leader, but he fell.
Oh, well, he owes me 10 push-ups.
Oh, God. I almost fell myself. All right, we're at the big rock.
Now I can fall and not owe anybody any push-ups. I said first one. I didn't say second.
You said everyone.
In the big boulder. Yeah, man, I'm coming. Don't fall off, man.
Aaron, you're gonna fall.
King of the mountain.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm gonna fall down there.
Don't play, man. You get hurt, we gotta go home now. Stop.
I think those were all pieces of this rock. They were. They fell off.
Boy's a daredevil. Always trying to push the limits.
Okay.
All right, moving on. Careful, dude. Oh man, such a beautiful winter day.
It feels like summer.
It's like 75 out here or something.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Where you going, Abby?
Just going around the big hill.
All right, we'll meet you down at the bottom. Oh, he failed. 10 push-ups.
10 push-ups.
And I had a viewer, so
Wait.
let's go Facebook.
I didn't bring my phone.
We're going down the hill. Down the hill.
Downhill. What are you doing?
It's a nice stream down here we'll go look at.
Crew with me, guys. All neighbors.
Careful, Nana. Don't fall, girl.
Make sure you check out my YouTube channel.
Young and fearless.
Now, if I call this time Facebook, I owe you 10 push-ups.
Hey, Zach.
Yeah.
How many subscribers do you have?
How many you got?
25.
Man,
I have 20.
I only got 15.
Oh, look at Angel over there. What's she doing?
She went the other way, but I didn't go.
Back deep in Mother Nature.
You gotta wait for us, Nana.
They go out into the wild, wild woods.
We gotta look out. We gotta look out for some deer tracks. We gotta look out for some deer tracks. Right, Dad?
Yeah, keep your eyes open. See any tracks, point them out.
What's up, Brandon? What are you doing?
Trekking through the woods.
Hey, that's funny. Time you find a tripod, I get one. I lost mine.
Yeah. I didn't find this, I bought it.
Yeah, but if you
I have never found any like GoPro type attachments or phone attachments. Oh yeah, I did find an actual camera tripod, but it was huge. Like,
Yeah.
knock it off. Just swoosh it off you, man.
Well, I don't like them things, so I don't want to touch them.
Yeah. Can man. There's another one.
Yeah.
You collecting rocks, Nana? Hmm? Maybe. It's hard to tell.
Hold on. Yeah, do you want to
GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, yeah. I know.
Trying to go live. I'm trying. It's stuck in the ground.
Watch out for the mud. You're gonna get your shoes all muddy, dude.
What is that smell? What is that smell? It's sewer water.
This looks sewer. Come on, Nana. Collecting rocks, girl.
I'll be happy.
Come on, you gotta remember we got a long walk and you gotta carry all those with us. Yeah, Brownie used to play in all that water, huh?
Daddy, I just want to go up that hill.
That's
I
a,
wanna go up that.
yeah, maybe some other time, dude.
Remember this was all the way out here?
Yeah, that water was all filled up all the way up to these tracks.
Yeah.
Man, that's gonna get real heavy. You're gonna get tired, and then I'm gonna end up carrying your butt, girl.
Aaron, you have to.
Why don't you sit those down so you don't have to carry them the whole time? We'll pick them up on the way back.
Not at your reach, Ned.
What's this?
Rock.
That wasn't a rock, it was something from the tree.
Who the heck opened that up? Look at the water running in there.
Why did I just go through there?
You're always trying to do something to mess up your shoes. Let's go down here and check out the little stream.
Stop, don't kick it. There's one right here too. Where? Is it stretched out? Yeah.
Come on, Facebook. We're at my favorite place.
Oh, look at that beautiful water. Alright, that's pretty. You're gonna get your socks all soaking wet, dude.
Guys, turn around. We're in the water.
You're gonna soak your shoes, dude.
Oh, it's so cold.
Yeah,
Did you touch it?
yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, it's been cold out here. That's why it's cold. Alright. We should be able to go live. We've gone ahead too hard. We're live, guys. We're at the creek. You're down running out. Climb over this. So y'all better listen.
Oh, buddy. Alright, try again.
You're gonna get sick.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Squeezing through here. Careful, dude.
Maybe on the way back I can open it.
No, maybe not. The summertime is fine, dude, but it's not summer just because it's nice out. Ow! Stabbed in the face by a stick. Almost got my eye. Be nice to have a four-wheeler come back here with, or a dirt bike. Have a blast back here. Yeah.
God dang it, see that too.
Ooh, hit a mud hole.
I was just walking through water.
Finding cans, Nana?
Man,
That's what happens when you walk in the water and then walk in mud, man.
whoa.
This water was deep a couple weeks ago.
It really, really.
Yeah, it was way up.
I'm gonna go look at this up here.
Careful, Nana. You're gonna lose your shoe again.
You idiot! I'm sinking! Get out of it! I can't! I'm just gonna go farther in it.
No.
I want to fall.
It's hilarious.
I'm just gonna have to hop in the water and wash them off. Right quick. I'll put them on the side.
Follow Abby and Angel. Follow Abby and Angel. We'll walk through the water like Aaron and ruin your shoes. Come on. Go.
I need to wash my feet. There's sand inside my feet.
Yeah. We'll clean it all out when we get home.
That's a lot of water.
And this is on the opposite side where we walked the last time we came out. We was over there on that side.
You should put the GoPro in the water.
Oh yeah, my GoPro is waterproof.
So is mine.
No, my
Is that a
GoPro is
thing?
waterproof without a case.
Wow, bro.
Yeah, like I could take this thing off of here and the actual GoPro is waterproof.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Just put the GoPro under the water and time lapse it.
Yeah. Yeah, see, I ain't got no waterproof case, but I can put mine in the water.
Man,
What you doing, girl?
can we cross?
No, what? You see how deep that water is?
It's not that deep.
Well, I mean, it's deep enough to where your shoes are gonna go underneath the water.
I'm gonna take my shoes off.
Nah, it's not that time of year yet.
I am.
Dude, Nana, get out.
Why can't I get in the water?
Cause it's not summertime. Can you get out?
What did you do to mommy's shoes? I'm gonna go now. Or I'm gonna get killed.
All right, you wanna start walking back? You wanna go the long way or back the way we came?
Long way. The other way.
The long way? All right, let's head back. Go that way.
Yeah, come on.
I can't wait till summertime when all them blueberry bushes and blackberry bushes and everything are back.
I can't wait. Let's go this way. I don't know what's up here.
Dead end, a bunch of mud.
Oh God! I can't wait until I go swimming.
Coming, Nana?
Dad.
Yeah, man. Yeah. What? Are you gonna tell me what you was gonna say? You said Dad.
I can't wait until we go swimming.
I know, man. Summer's right around the corner, dude. And planting season, my favorite time of year.
Is summer going to come up in a little bit? Huh?
Do what?
Is summer going to come in a little bit?
Yeah, man. Couple months.
In 10 days.
10 days.
But when it's
And you're gonna be what, 3?
it's going to be
12. Oh, yeah. I think right here there's like some type of blueberry tree or something. It's weird. I've never seen a tree with blueberries on it. Maybe the blueberries like a vine and it's growing up the tree. I don't know. Under the bridge. Yep, that's the path we was on the last time.
Over there.
Yep.
Dad, can I go across?
No. No, we was over there last time. Come on. Let's start walking back. The Echo. All right.
Yep.
Angel's done with her little break. Getting back on her journey. Heading home. Good. We love walking, huh, Nana?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's fun. Good exercise, huh? Got for them twigs. Man, it looks like somebody hit this guardrail, huh? Nailed it.
Somebody hit it somewhere.
Yeah, somebody nailed this thing.
Oh, look.
Whoa. Dang, it ripped the whole thing out of the ground.
That's probably.
Woo.
Look, Dad.
Must have fell asleep. Yeah.
Ran over the whole thing.
Yeah.
See, he probably went down this way and he turned on accident. And he, I'm gonna get right here.
No, get out of the road. Please. Out of the road.
It's not the road.
It is. Get up on the grass, please.
Sidewalk.
Yeah, but people come flying around this corner right here, Nana. You just seen that guardrail was all messed up because somebody went off the road.
That's not something.
All right? Huh? It's trash, Nana.
All this trash from people.
It's crazy, man.
I can't believe
Don't throw your trash out of your vehicle. Just
I
take it
can't
home and put it in your trash can. It's not that hard to do.
I can't believe there's a work there.
Look at this. Trash. Trash, 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 trash.
Broken glass.
Broken glass.
Trash.
Trash, 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 trash.
And
People are trash.
trash.
And they consider me disgusting for digging in dumpsters.
Look, Dad, it's a fluffy fishing tackle.
Yeah. Got a big hill to walk up here in a minute. Getting tired, Abby? Getting tired, Abby? Getting tired, Abby?
Where we went in to go for a walk, I'm gonna walk up that.
All right, let's cross.
Dad, I'm gonna walk up this hill where we went down to that path. We should have brought water.
We're right down the road from the house. Get some water as soon as we get there.
Dad, you wanna come down to our house?
Water is life. Drink it up. Here, dude. Come on, Nana.
Shade.
Ah, it's nice to be in the shade. On a winter day, it's nice to be in the shade in North Carolina.
Hold on.
That's how our weather is.
I didn't want to go down the wrong way.
I know, Nana.
Hold on. You need to take another. I hate riding up.
GoPro, stop recording.
I want to too.
Your voice ain't deep enough, man. Gotta get some bass in your voice.
GoPro, start recording. GoPro, GoPro, stop recording.
Nope, don't.
GoPro, stop recording.
Nana, you gonna run all the way up the hill? You're gonna be tired.
Nana, come get back here. There's dogs right here. Pit bulls too.
There's a fence so Aaron. I don't even think there's dogs back there anymore. I don't see them. Usually they come running up to the fence.
There's dogs up here too.
It's alright, man.
There's not even a gate. They can break off their chains. I can't carry these shoes no more.
Journey up the big hill. You're on video. Don't act too tired.
Shoot, I'm an old fart like you. I haven't.
I stay with energy. Energy is within me.
Don't smoke and try and walk up a hill. You won't make it.
Yeah, definitely don't smoke and walk up a hill. Looks like a scrapper, maybe. Maybe, maybe not.
When we were walking 2 hours. They still hurt.
Yeah, we walked all the way from
Yeah, I saw you.
over by Biscuitville.
Wow.
Had to drop the truck off at a shop to get it worked on. I know that hill doesn't seem like much, but it'll kick your butt.
Oh yeah.
Especially after walking a good 30 minutes. We're right around the corner from the house.
They want to take a pit stop.
We're splitting off. We're going this way. We're taking a left.
Well, I'm not.
Yeah, we are.
I'm going to that side.
Your dad is the boss.
Let's go.
Nearby the water.
We're gonna go to our house and get some water, man.
No. I don't want to.
Thanks for joining us on our nature walk.
Oh yeah,
They
y'all
didn't
too.
join yet.
Huh?
They didn't join yet.
Yes, they did.
They can't.
What?
They can't join while you're vlogging. Because then you gotta stop.
I'm talking about the people who joined us on our walk, man. I was thanking them.
Dad, I'm not turning.
Yeah, we are. Come on. See y'all later.
Bye.
Later.
Let's go home and get some water. That's a long walk.
I'm brave. Daddy, can Zach come to our house? He said he's going to Richard's house and then he'll call me over. And then maybe he'll come over to our house. I need a break. Oh, Dad, can we stop?
And it's sad. This is where they was cleaning up all that trash at. Doesn't even look like they put a dent in it.
We didn't do much on this part.
Well, no, but I mean,
We went down. We went down in this.
even up here, it doesn't look like y'all did anything. It's crap, man. It's so much trash.
We did it down there. We went in there.
If everybody in the neighborhood came out and pitched in for one day, we could have it all cleaned up.
And then it would just get dirty again.
Yeah, probably. No matter how much you clean up, people will still dump. That's what they do. It's sad.
See, look, there used to be a house right there, and it's now dirty.
Yep, that's where that house got burnt down last year.
Oh yeah, and there was still a car
We're
there.
almost home, girl. We'll take a break as soon as we get there,
And there
okay?
was still a car there. That car probably got burnt. Easier if you have your shoes off. Because
And
you can
your
have
feet are
air.
grounded with the earth. You don't have that rubber in between your feet and the world.
Can we go straight? Car.
Here, let's get off this side.
Ow. This Hayden. I stubbed my toe
Get off to the side. Thank you.
Man.
Oh man, it's all smashed.
Oh yeah, that was that.
All right, Nana.
That was down there. That was down at the arrow. Yeah. Probably next year's outside. That ran over.
This is a nice walk.
Yep.
My legs are burning
Is my face red?
a little bit.
Feels like I got sunburned. I'm sweating like you.
Sweating like a pig. Pigs don't sweat. I don't even know why that's a saying. I don't think pigs sweat. Why is that a saying?
home. I'm getting a wet rag, putting it in the freezer, putting it in some water. Daddy,
We're all gonna get some water.
Dad, I'm not wore out enough. I probably gotta get wore out on doing back handsprings with Destiny on trampoline.
Destiny's at school, man.
I know, but once you get home, I can. Because I'm not wore out enough. Because I'm like, you already know that. I never calm down. You know that. And I do back handsprings a lot.
Okay.
I never stop.
Yeah, you never stop, man. Wide open. And we're back at the doggies.
She is very
And they love being petted.
She's so sweet. She acts really mean, but then when you go up to
Yeah.
pet her, she like. is very-
Alright, come on. Let's go get some water. Say bye-bye, puppies.
Bye, puppy. Oh, and their puppies went in that yard, so I grabbed it. And there's puppy. Hi, puppy.
They're too cute.
That one looks like Brownie, the one with the white mark.
Kinda.
Because if you look close at it, it's like brindle. Holy!
Come on, Nana, let's go. There's a car. Go ahead, pet the doggies while this car is going by.
Fluffy puppy. That's the kind of chainsaw that I want.
Oh, yeah.
And so.
Alright, come on. Let's go get some water.
Why does our house have to be so high?
Oh. There's our neighbor Gary's house, dude.
Why? Is there a chihuahua?
And there's our house.
Right there with the gray van. You see that puppy right there? Oh, the dog, the brown one?
Yeah.
It was like freaking skinny. They don't.
Look for cars, please. Stop. No cars. Good to go.
Oh yeah, change my top another.
Alright, thanks for joining us again on another nature walk. Like, subscribe, and share. GoPro, stop recording.